Failure is a part of life. If you don't fail, you don't learn. If you don't learn, you will never sense your English pronunciation. Sincerely speaking, as English learner, every day I am used to making mistakes. Though I am capable to speak in English fluently, though I am not a good at English speaker, but I am used to practicing in English every day. But during my English practice time, I am used to making mistakes because failure is a part of life. If we don't fail, we don't learn. When I make mistake, that time I can solve my issue. I can attempt to solve the problem. But if we don't make mistake, we'll never attempt to solve the issue. That's why never get fear when you attempt to learn new skill. It can be English learner, it can be English learning, it can be another skills. So, no, see you soon, Marcy.